Hey, Ken from Meldomatic, giving you some tips on how to use our strap tab. Some people, it's a little different what you had before, so let me give you a rundown. Obviously, you could glue here, put that on your panel, and this is a spreader bar block, same thing as a hero block, where you could, put one here, put one there, and with the longer bar, you could stretch it apart, probably best if you laid it on side, and pull it that way. Another way would be to glue your tab just like any other tab, like here, one on the edge and one on the other door, and you could pull with a strap or whatever you want to do this way. So it's just a multi-purpose tool that you can either glue this, pull with a strap, glue the strap, or pull with any with the spreader bar, the hero boots, and possibly even the push-pull bar, but you would have to have the 36-inch one, obviously. So that's a rundown of that. See ya.